पंचायत कर्मचाऱ्यांचेर बिडियो दवरतले दळो. बिडियोक दर आठवड्याक एका तरी पंचायतीक विजीट दिवन पंचायतीच्या कारभाराचेर नदर दवरची पडटली. तशेंच पंचायत कर्मचाऱ्यां कडेन हिस्पा भायर मालमत्ता आसा ताचेर कारवाय जातली म्हण पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनो आरडीएक्स गोवा चॅनलाच्या पॉयंट ब्लँक कार्यावळींत उलयला. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी व्हिडिओ पत्रकार सुशील शुक्ला.
In some instances, it were the staff of the panchayats who were usurping the powers, and they were dictating terms both to the secretary as well as to the sarpanch himself or the elected panches. I am not going to allow this sort of situation. We have acted against a few with a few transfers. There has also been a suspension of a secretary. More are to follow if they don't follow the discipline path. And those who feel that they can amass wealth not having regard to any norms or propriety, they will also find me breathing down their neck through the Panchayat department, and that's how I propose to move forward, wherein we will see the changes happening right at the grassroots level.
Do you mean to say that the wealth of a secretary could be investigated or something?
Yes, of course. By keeping an eye, what I mean to say is, the various files that come to the panchayat, they have become like squeeze masters, demanding money and keep holding files, important things which should have been passed as a matter of routine. So these things will not be allowed to happen. I am putting a certain amount of more responsibility on the BDOs, that they have to supervise, they have to move in the field, they have to go to the respective panchayats. At least in a week they have to visit one panchayat in their jurisdiction. Sitting in the offices will not do. So I am bringing about a change in the entire culture of functioning at the grassroots democracy.